How to create an invoice. In Monday.com, you can do this in 7 simple steps. 1. Open Monday.com and create a new board. Name it something like Invoices to keep everything organized. Click Add Column and include fields like client name, invoice number, amount, due date, and payment status. 3. Use a formula column to automatically calculate total amounts, taxes, or discounts to streamline invoicing. 4. Integrate Monday.com with accounting tools like QuickBooks or Xero to sync financial data seamlessly. Click on Views and select Form View to create a template that generates invoices directly from Monday.com. 6. Once an invoice is ready, export it as a PDF and send it to your client via email. You can also automate follow-ups for pending payments. 7. Track invoice statuses using the status column to see which invoices are paid, pending, or overdue.